Assalamualaikum, my name is AINNISHA SOFEA and my number matric is 078078. So now I will start presenting our group assignment. First, for introduction, as we know, usually retail business mostly will generate large volume of transactional data daily, but it is inefficient to use raw data only to analyze for decision making. So, by using the business intelligence, it will help to transform the operational data into meaningful insights through ETL processes, data modeling, and interactive dashboards, which then this allow the organization to make better business decisions. Next is schema design rationale, which in this section is about relational schema design, star schema design, and dimension hierarchies. First, for the relational schema design, this rational schema represents the operational database used in the project. So it consists of 5 tables, which are customer, products, sales, stores, and staff. The sales table acts as the central transactional table because it records customer purchases and the sales activities. Meanwhile, relationship between the tables are established using the primary and foreign keys. Next is star schema design, in which in this part, the relational database is transformed into a star schema to support the multidimensional analysis. The reason why we choose star schema instead of snowflake because it has a simpler structure and it is more easier to use for reporting and dashboard development. In this star schema, it consists of 1 fact table and 4 dimension table. The fact cells was selected as the fact table because it stores measurable data such as quantity and total sale. Meanwhile, the customer, product, store, and time information are organized into dimension tables because it provides descriptive information in which this will be used for filtering and analyzing business performance. Next is dimension hierarchies, where it is used to organize data into different levels of detail. For example, the time hierarchy will allow user to drill down from yearly sales to monthly and daily sales. And then for the product hierarchy, it enables analysis from product categories to individual products, while geography hierarchy allows the comparison of sales performance across different regions and individual stores. So that's all for me, and now I will pass it to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is ALYAA MOHAMAD and my metric number is 078116, and I will be presenting the ETL process implementation for our retail sales intelligence system project. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load, and this process is very important because it converts a raw operational data into a structured analytical format that can be used for business intelligence reporting and dashboard analysis. Next, show the overall ETL workflow implemented in our project, which process begin with extracting data from the MySQL operational database, and the extracted data is then transformed through the several cleaning and preparation process before being loaded into analytical table. And final output will consist of fact table and several dimension tables which are support multidimensional analysis and dashboard visualization in Power. The first phase is the extract phase. During this phase, the data was retrieved from the operational retail database stored in MySQL. Then the source database consists of several tables including customer, product, sales, store, and also staff. Python together with MySQL connector was used to establish a connection with the database before extracting the required data. And then the extracted data was stored in a pandas data frames for further processing in the next phase. Next, the second phase is the transform phase, which is this phase several data transformation activities were performed to improve data quality and prepare the data set for analysis. First, duplicate record were removed to avoid data redundancy. And next, the sale date attribute was converted into a standard date time format, and the sale table was then merged with the product table using product ID. And the total sale value was calculated using this following formula, which is total sale equal to quantity multiple to price total sale. For example, if a customer purchased 2 units of a product price at 3,500 ringgit, the total sale generated will be 7,000 ringgit. In addition, several dimensional tables including dim customer, dim product, dim store, and dim type were created to support the star schema model for multidimensional analysis. Lastly, the final phase is the load phase. After the transformation process was complete, the transformed data set was loaded back into the analytical database. On the left side, we can see the generated fact sales table which contain transaction related information such as sale ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity, sale date, and also total sale. And on the right side, the analytical database show that the fact sale table together with the dimension table were successfully stored in MySQL. And this table will serve as the main data source for the dashboard reporting and the business analysis. That concludes my presentation on the ETL implementation process. The transform and structured data is now ready to be used for visualization and analysis. Now, I would like to pass to this presentation to Yasmeen and Anis, who will demonstrate the Power BI dashboard and discuss the business insight generated from the analytical database. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SALSABILA binti MOHAMAD AFIZAN. My metric number is 078020. Now, I will explain the Business Intelligence Insight section. Business Intelligence helps convert sales data to meaningful information. Interactive dashboard. Dashboard present the sales performance by region and time. Total sales record are 255,000 with 770 units sold across 250 transactions. Based on the regional sales analysis, the North region contribute for almost 46% of total sales. The sales trend also shows several peak and fluctuation throughout the month, indicating change in customer purchasing behavior over time. This insight help management identify high-performing region and plan more effective sales and marketing strategy. Insight, while the North region performance best, the changing sales pattern each month indicate that the company needs to strategically plan promotion to maintain sales momentum and improve performance in other regions. To highlight the performance of product and product categories. Based on the analysis, electronic products generated the highest sales revenue, with laptop Pro 50 being the top performing product, contributing approximately 15,600 in sales. Other strong performing products include Tablet A and Smartphone X. The dashboard also show that while some categories may have a high number of transactions, high-value electronic product contributes to overall revenue. This insight help management identify products and make better decisions regarding inventory planning and marketing strategy. Insight, although categories like accessory and stationery have a higher numbers of transactions, the electronic categories generate the highest revenue because of its higher selling price. This shows that the higher value products play a significant role in increasing overall sales revenue.
Assalamualaikum. My name is YASMEEN binti REKMAN. My metric number is 077088. Now I will present dashboard 3, which focuses on customer demographics versus sales performance. The purpose of this dashboard is to analyze customer purchasing behavior based on 3 main demographics factors, which are gender, age group, and region. By understanding customer demographics, businesses can identify their most valuable customer segments and develop more effective marketing strategies. As you can see on the dashboard, the total sales recorded are 245,000 ringgit with a total of 100 customers included in the analysis. The first visualization that we can see on the dashboard is the total sales by age group. Based on the chart, customers aged 21 to 30 years old contributed the highest sales revenue compared to other age groups. This indicates that young adults are the primary customer segment for this retail business. Meanwhile, customers aged 18 to 20 and those above 41 years old contributed significantly lower sales revenue. Next, we can observe the total sales by gender chart that is represented by this pie chart. The analysis shows that male customers generated approximately 155,000 ringgit in sales, representing around 63% of total revenue. Female customers contributed approximately 91,000 ringgit, or about 37% of the total revenue. This suggests that male customers displayed slightly higher spending behavior than female customers. In the dashboard also includes a regional analysis that compares sales performance by gender across different regions. Based on the chart, the North region recorded the strongest demographic sales performance among all regions. Both male and female customers in the North contributed higher sales compared to customers from other regions. From a business perspective, these findings are very valuable. The company can focus its marketing campaigns on customers aged 21 to 30 years old because this group demonstrates the strongest purchasing activity. In addition to that, promotional activities and loyalty programs can be designed specifically for the North region, where customers' engagement and sales performance are the highest. Moving on to the hidden analysis, we discovered that customers between 21 and 30 years old not only generated the highest sales revenue, but were also the most active purchasing group. This indicates strong market potential within the young adult segment. Furthermore, male customers consistently spend slightly more than female customers. The regional demographic analysis also revealed that young adult customers in the North region showed particularly strong purchasing activity. Therefore, businesses can use these insights to create targeted marketing strategies. Personalized promotions and customer engagement campaigns that focus on high-value customer segment. This approach can help increase customer retention, improve sales performance, and maximize profitability. In conclusion, Dashboard 3 successfully demonstrates how customer demographic data can transform into meaningful business insights. By understanding who the most profitable customers are and where they are located, management can make better data-driven decisions and allocate marketing resources more efficiently. Thank you. That's all from me.